Hello and welcome to pen spinning, side sonic, and variations. Side sonic is a hybrid of sonic and inverse sonic, where the pen passes first behind the middle finger, then the middle finger passes behind the pen, making that classic in-out side motion. To perform the side sonic, begin with a normal sonic, but halfway through in this position, bring your finger through your other two fingers so it is in this position. Then just continue the pen's rotation in front of the out finger and finger switch to the final slot. Technically a side sonic is one rotation, but it helps to add another when learning the trick. Inverse side sonic is when the trick flips across the plane parallel with the hand. This results in the intermediate finger switching first out, then in instead of in to out. Again, it helps to add a rotation when learning the trick. Side sonic reverse is when the trick is played in reverse. Similarly to that of the inverse side sonic, the in-out motion is an out-in one. But unlike the inverse side sonic, the side sonic reverse spins in the opposite direction. Side flush sonic is when the two fingers of the flush sonic switch their in-out positions. For example, the normal flush sonic 2-3 to 1-4 to 2-3 has the middle finger out and the ring finger in slot 1-4. A side flush sonic from 2-3 to 1-4 to 2-3 would start with 2 out and 3 in, but then transition to 2 in then 3 out. Moonwalk side sonic is when the starting and ending slots are switched, but everything else about the trick is the same. Moonwalk is a pretty arbitrary modifier because most tricks can start and end with any slot, but for this example we'll use the simple 2-3 to 1-2 slots that most people learn first. So in this example, the moonwalk side sonic would start in slot 1-2 and end in slot 2-3. Everything else about the trick is the same. Now hopefully you have a decent understanding of the basic side sonics. Next, I'll demonstrate some more side sonic variations. Feel free to use YouTube's slow motion feature and your eyes to copy any of the variations. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on pen spinning tricks, links, and notation. See you next time.